Hey, my name is Imran and today we are going to discuss about ChatGPT. You can click on ChatGPT. If you don't have account, so you can create account simply by giving your email and then you can verify it, and after that you can try ChatGPT. Here different things like you can go with these examples, and also there are some of the capabilities of ChatGPT and the limitations which ChatGPT can't do that, and there could be the reasons where will give you the wrong answers because it's a chatbot. And you can make the dark mode and also light mode. You can also join the community at Discord, and there are some of the updates and frequently asked questions, and you can log out from here. So let me just search something like, we say please write code of recall. It's an evaluation measure in machine learning. So first the chat GPT is explaining the concept of recall, and then it will give us the code. So here you can see that, so how we can calculate the recall. So you can see that there are true positives, and then we divide on true positive plus false negatives. So here is the function that how recall will be called and how it will be working to calculate the recall score. And also ChatGPT is giving us the explanation that what is y true and what is y predict. So y true is the true label and the y predict is the other predictions. So it's good, but let me just search something else, how to connect postgresql. So we can see that first it started with the explanation and then it will give us the example code. So you can see that first it is giving the host, database, username and password. So we can use this code and we can put all these details like host name, database name, username and password, and we can connect with the DB. That's very easy. And also we have the code, so we just need to utilize this code. And also there are the explanations as well, which is very important. So let me just search something else like we say that train a machine learning model. The spelling is not correct, but it is giving us the correct information. That is beauty of ChatGPT. It is telling us to import the libraries, then how we can read the data, then how we can take the input and output features, and it is telling us how to split the data, then how to call the model, and then how we can start training the model, and then how we can predict it, and also how we can calculate the score like accuracy. That's perfect. So now we can use this code, and also we can use this code for our problems, like we can use any data which we wanted to use, and then we can use even same code and we can get the results. That's good, but there are some of the problems in ChatGPT, like for example, if I say 10 plus 10, so it is giving us the answer. So it is saying that 20, but if I say no, it is 30, so you can see that you are correct, 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. My apologize for the mistake in previous response. So we can search anything and it will be giving us the answers, but ChatGPT is just a chatbot, but very intelligent and respond you almost what you needed. But let me tell you one thing, Google is more powerful, which give you thousands of responses within milliseconds. The difference is very simple. On ChatGPT you will get one most useful answer, but on Google you will need to find out solution by yourself, but can find millions of answers. Like for example, if I search the same query on Google, so it will giving us many answers. So we can search anyone and we can get the useful code. but it is also giving us the useful code so we can use it as well. Okay, but the difference is very simple. Here you can get a most appropriate answer, but on Google you need to search out by yourself and you can search anything. So the conclusion is that ChatGPT can never challenge Google, but it's very smart to answer you. And yes, you can save time as Google take more time to search. That's all for today. Thank you very much.